Next up in JavaScript are arrays. Arrays are quite useful because they are a list of objects or a list of things that you can loop through and do various things with. And they honestly are kind of what make JavaScript pretty powerful, especially when you deal with array methods, which those exist in other things, but they're pretty powerful in JavaScript, and I like them. And pretty fast if you do them right. So, arrays, you declare with the non-curly brackets and non-round brackets, like parentheses, and you just make a list of things. General good practice is to make sure all of your things are the same type. Try to not mix types up, otherwise it gets difficult to deal with. TypeScript will help you with this. So yeah, you've got a thing. Let's run it. Yay, we've got an array. Cool. So let's create an array. Declare a variable using const named hobbies. Const hobbies equals that. And when I define arrays, I like to have them be on, I like to format it like this. So hobby 1 is web development. Hobby 2, sound engineering. Hobby 3, saxophone. Welcome to me. All right, I have declared a const about hobbies. Yay, okay. Use console.log to print hobbies to the console. Console.log hobbies. Great. You've got hobbies. Cool. Now we're going to access those elements. All arrays or arrays in JavaScript are indexed off of are a zero-based indexed system. So in order to access the first element, you use 0. If you access the second element, you use 1. In order to access the third element, you use 2, etc., etc., etc. So this makes math a little bit easier, but it can be a little bit confusing with some people. Zero-based indexing is the basically industry standard with all programming languages. And if there's a programming language that doesn't do that, programmers hate it. They're just like, that sucks. Nobody likes you. Go away. But we have to use you because of some really specific situation. So all respectable languages have are zero-based indexes, or zero-based indexed. So individual elements create a list item as the first item in the thing. So const list item equals famous sayings, and we are getting the first thing, which is 0. So, and then we're console.log that. Console.log list item. Run. Great. Now console.log the third element. Console.log the third element in the array, which will be, I freaking hate that. Anytime I hit escape. Okay. Famous sayings. The third element will be 2. 0, 1, 2. Run. Do not save the element. What? What are you talking? Oh, it's spelled wrong. Run. Thank you. Awesome, but you can access each element in an array using the index. But what if it happens to access that is outside the thing? Try to log 3. So 3 will be trying to get the fourth element, 1, 2, which this is why I like to do it in a list like this, because you can really identify how long the array is. So this array is only 3 things long. And so if you try to access the fourth element, it's going to say undefined. It won't like it. So now we will get into updating elements in the next video. That is the fundamental part of arrays. They are zero-based indexed, and they're a list of things. Generally, you want to have them the same type. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.